Hey, don't throw away those fuzzy, warm clothes just yet. You know those soft, cozy ones sitting in your closet? Yeah, we're about to turn them into something totally useful and cute. Grab a piece of that fabric and fold it in half. Now, cut a soft little curve on the top, nothing too crazy. Open it up, smooth it out, and shape the bottom a bit. Just follow your vibe, no need to be perfect. Next, grab another piece about the same size and line them up together. Fold it again and start stitching along the side. Use a back stitch. Go forward, back, so it stays nice and tight. Take your time, especially when you hit the curve. Then tie it off and trim the extra thread. Now, sew that other mark side, flip the fabric over and look at that. The angled shape looks so good already. Cut out a base piece that's just a bit bigger than your shape. Line it up, stitch all around the edges, and keep using that back stitch. When you're done, tie a secure little knot on the inside so it won't come loose. Trim the extra thread, flip it inside out, and ta-da! You just made your own cozy floor socks. They're warm, stylish, and super comfy, perfect for lazy days at home. Plus, it's such a fun way to upcycle old clothes instead of tossing them out. So grab your scissors, some thread, and start creating, because once you wear these, you'll never want to take them off.